St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijayapura, academic year 2021-22. Welcome to all. Students, this is one such a proverb. Whenever you have tough time in life, have patience and work hard. Once overcome the obstacles, look back and always have last winning smile. Yes, children. Today's our situation is also matches with this proverb. Of which obstacle of this coronavirus we are facing and stepping day by day. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to you. Students, I myself Miss Mahananda M. Bodhisatti, first language English teacher of 7th standard. I hope that you all are good. Children, let us glance on the content of our 7th standard first language English textbook. Once, I would like to welcome to you all. See children, in the 7th standard first language English textbook, there are two parts. One part is of prose, whenever the another one is of poem part. So let us first, we should try to know the prose part. See children, to you, to this academic year of 2021-22, in your first language English, there are 8 proses. Among them, Chapter 1 is A Tiger in the House. Chapter 2, A Soldier's Son. Chapter 3, A Letter from a Mother. Chapter 4, The Blind Dog. Chapter 5, India Through the Eyes of a Foreigner. Chapter 6, Uttanka's Guru Dakshina. Chapter 7, A Tribute to Netaji. Chapter 8, The Town by the Sea. Now, look at the poem part. As like the proses are 8, so like poems are also 8. First poem, Self-Reliance. Second poem, If. Third poem, Meadow Surprises. Poem 4, Sonnet. Fifth poem, The Solitary Reaper. Sixth poem, The Road Not Taken. Seventh poem, Work is Worship. And the last one is 8th, The Convergence of the Trade. Students, in your first language English textbook, not only prose and poem parts are there, but also one more part is there, which is called as supplementary reading. Let us glance what is there in the supplementary reading. In the supplementary reading, the chapter 1 is Suvarna Shuddhi and Chakradhara. Chapter 2, The Dream, and the last one is chapter 3, The Day's Wait. Whenever children, to the last academic year, due to corona pandemic, 30% portion was reduced. Let us look in future what will happen. See, one more proverb is there. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Whatever it will be, children. May we are facing two difficult situations today. There are hundreds of reasons for us, and to the problems what we are having today. But even also, we should have to show to the life that we people have 1,000 reasons to smile, because courage and willpower, these are the two important weapons of human being, on which we can win any war. So this was the introduction, and one more thing here I want to share with you is, for the notes writing, you should have to keep 2 king size notebooks for first language English. Among the two, one you should keep purely for the classwork, and the second one you should do 2 parts in that, and the first part you should keep for the homework, and the second part you should have to keep for the grammar part. Yes, the grammar part which we are discussing in our classes as an extra grammar part. So whatever grammar part we will discuss in our classes, so you should have to keep, you should have to write all that extra grammar in that second part of your second king size notebook. I hope you are able to understand. And at last, keep smiling always, spread happiness around you, always keep positive thinking, and try to help the needy how much possible to you. Do not forget that coronavirus is also stepping along with us. So, follow the norms and appeals. Soon we will meet along with our online classes. Till then, take care. Thank you.